Sunrise paints the ocean gold. A gentle breeze begins to blow. Engine hums a steady rhythm. Time to cast off, here we go. On the deck of Brandy Joe, a classic trawler, strong and true, leaving worries far behind with the open sea in view.
Okay guys, today we are going from Little Shark River Anchorage up to Goodland, Florida in the 10,000 Islands. There's not much to see early in this video, as it was off and on fog all day and we are out in the Gulf of Mexico. But once we get into Goodland, we did a nice little digging ride and showed you the area.
On the rail, let the whole world go. Laugh till the gulls get jealous above our bows. Trade your shoes for the spray and the easy roll. We're cruising Brandy Joe.
And of course, we're pulling up the anchor here. Tammy goes to get the washdown hose, and the pump picks the first muddy spot we're in to quit. I have it prepared now, but it wasn't that bad. The mud wasn't all that bad. I just drove around in a circle with the anchor dragging, cleaned it right off.
Sun climbs up and the day keeps coming. Hearts wide, pockets full. Cruising Brandy Joe. Come on and lean on the rail. Let the whole world go. Brandy Joe. Laugh till the gulls get jealous above our bows. Trade your shoes for the spray.
I have no idea what happened in the video here. It is just, I don't know what's going on with these cameras. I'm more than likely going to upgrade my equipment very soon.
Raise a hand, raise a sail, raise a toast to the
As you can see, it's a dead calm day out there. Wasn't for the fog, it would have been perfect. Ah, there's Greg following along behind us there. There's our dinghy. About the only interesting things I could find to tape. We are, like I said, offshore. Sometimes there's fog, sometimes there wasn't. But all in all, it was a really great day. We got into Goodland, no problems whatsoever. Just sit back and enjoy the rest of the video.
Distant comes breathe the wheelhouse windows. Last light on the foamy glow. You in a borrowed sweater, smiling as the shoreline slows. Cruising Brandy Joe. Someone telling one last joke, fade to soft air and soft hello on the hum, Brandy Joe.
Unfortunately, my one camera got compromised and all the video is gone. All I could do was slow down my time lapse, so it's going to look a little choppy, but you get the general idea. We'll be anchoring up here and then launching the dinghies and heading into town. Alright guys, here we are taking a little dinghy ride into town. We passed by at least 3 bars. We stopped at the one, had dinner. Can't remember the name of it right now. I'll put it up on the screen here. There's also a small fish market in here that we stopped and got some sushi grade tuna and some shrimp from. Very reasonable prices. But yeah, we had a good time in here. We will be pulling into the little cove where the bars and the marinas are in a couple of minutes here.
Maybe it was a manatee. I am. I'm getting everybody in their little boats. You want to do it? Shut up. I got it. I got it. Come on.
And of course, we arrived on a weekend, and you can see how super busy it was. Every bar had a band, which, by the way, like at 9 o'clock at night, shut down. That whole town just shut right down. It was dead quiet. It was a beautiful anchorage. Highly recommended stop. Like I said, the restaurant was good. Every bar had a band. I mean, it was really busy with the boats, so I would try to get there during the week if I could next time. Okay guys, in our next video we will be leaving Goodland, taking the inside route to Marco Island, and taking a tour around Marco. It's another great stop. The anchorage is fantastic, lots of room. Grocery store has its own dock, a lot of good restaurants, shopping. There's a West Marine there. We'll go through that in the next video.